In this video, I'm going to show you how to check stock watch lists in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Go to the Invest tab from the main navigation menu, then click on the Market Watch subtab. This section is designed for tracking stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other securities that you want to monitor whether you currently own them or not. Once you're inside Market Watch, you will see the live status of each security along with current price movement, intraday changes, and overall performance snapshots, so you can quickly monitor what is happening in the market. If you want to add more securities to the list, use the search bar at the top of the Market Watch page. Simply type the company name or ticker symbol, then select the result and add it to your watch list. Origin will then include that stock in your tracking dashboard automatically. Your watch list can also connect with Origin's market updates on the main dashboard, which means you may see related performance summaries and financial news based on the securities you are following. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.